You've been wasting money and time on Placeit without even realizing it. See what's happening on the left? That's someone trying to create mock-ups with Placeit. And on the right, that's what I'm about to show you. A tool that's completely changing the game for online sellers. Notice the difference in speed and quality. It's not even close. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how top Etsy sellers are creating entire product collections in less time than it takes to make coffee. By using a tool that outperforms Placeit by 156%. Now, you might be wondering why I'm so confident about these claims. Well, I discovered something interesting about Placeit that explains everything. Placeit uses a genius marketing technique to cover its product gaps. They offer a high profit to their affiliate, up to $20 per monthly referred subscriber, and $50 per annual referred subscriber for GOE1 countries. Think about it when someone's earning $50 for every person they refer. Are they really giving you honest advice? This affiliate gold rush has created a serious problem for sellers like you, causing many online sellers to think that Placeit is the best option for mock-ups. I've analyzed over 1,000 top-selling Etsy stores, and here's what nobody's told you about Placeit. The first problem you'll face is you'll find yourself wasting a lot of time instead of saving time, because their online editor is extremely limited. Let me show you what I mean. Try adding an extra text layer. You need to resize your design? Get ready to spend an hour on that. Want to create consistent branding across multiple products? Good luck. I timed how long it takes to create a single product listing mockups in Placeit. Want to guess? An average of 30 to 40 minutes. That's if you know what you're doing. For beginners, we're talking more than an hour. This is the opposite of what the creators told you. It's neither time-saving nor user-friendly. You'll find yourself spending so much time creating a mock-up, downloading it, starting over, and repeating the cycle endlessly. But the time waste isn't even the worst part. While you're struggling with their editor, there's another massive problem nobody's talking about. Their mock-up library. Sure, at first glance it looks decent, but scroll through any successful Etsy store and you'll see the difference. Here's what I mean. See how these top sellers present their products. The lighting, the composition, the lifestyle elements. None of this is possible with Placeit basic templates. Nobody is failing for a forest background anymore. It's outdated. Here's the crazy part. And I see this all the time in Facebook groups and Reddit threads. Some sellers are paying $7.47 to $11 per month depending on your country for Placeit, and hiring someone for $200 a month just to create mock-ups that look like everyone else's. That's over $2,000 a year just for basic mock-ups. But I can't blame them because nobody told them that there's a way to create an entire collection of mock-ups in the time it takes. Placeit to load a single template. And with complete creative control, perfect alignment, and stunning results every time. The tool that most successful Etsy stores use is bulk mockup. While everyone else is stuck in Placeit library, there are people outperforming them with less time and money watching this. One click. That's all it took to create an entire collection of professional mockups. This feature sounds amazing, but you're probably wondering, does this actually work in the real world? Let me show you what happened when successful Etsy sellers got their hands on this. Mandy, a top Etsy seller, says, "The plugin is incredible. What took me hours just got done in under 4 minutes." Francesco's from Great Britain says, "Massive time saver. It turns a job that usually take hours into minutes if not seconds. Now that you've seen the results others are getting, let me show you their secret weapon to make their products stand out." Unlike Placeit, bulk mockup doesn't limit you to a basic library. Instead, it gives you the power to use any high-quality mockup template you want. You can create your own mockups with your own touch or branding, or you can invest in high-quality mockups at a time. And this is what they are hiding from you. Let me show you their secret sources for mockups. Creative Market. This is my favorite, as you can see. Createsy. is my second option, and you can see why. These templates cost between $8 to $20 each, but they're yours forever. No monthly fees, no limitations. With that being said, let me break down how actually Bulk Mockup works. Bulk Mockup is a Photoshop plugin. All you need to do is get your designs ready, your mockups template ready, and your export folder. Then click on Start Generating and it will do the rest. Do you see why those successful stores use this tool now? But this is not the only reason why people love this tool. It is because Bulk Mockup offers a lot more than it shows. It offers universal compatibility. It works with any print-on-demand product and supports all major file formats. Auto resize and align. It makes perfect positioning every time. Automatic perspective adjustment and smart shadow generation. Organization system. It creates automatic folder structure and custom naming conventions. Video mockups. You can create scroll-stopping animations, add dynamic elements, and generate product showcases. By now, you can see why this tool is revolutionizing how online sellers create mockups. And here's the best part: you can book a free live demo of the plugin. You'll find the link in the description below. And oh, I almost forget. Right now, Bulk Mockup is offering a 66% discount on yearly subscriptions. This isn't just another tool, it's a complete system that includes full access to all features, a 7-day money-back guarantee, premium support with 24-hour response time, free updates for life. Stop wasting time with outdated tools and join the sellers who are already working smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.